Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we look at, of course, the Windows market share numbers for general PC use, but sometimes we also follow the gamers on Steam, where they have a lot of statistics about the gameplay of, that follows Steam users. And hardware they have all sorts of interesting statistics, the graphics adapter they have, and so on. But on the Windows side, it seems that this month, or the month of July, Steam users are 46.8% using Windows 11. So that means that it went down slightly, but not a lot. It's still a big number and shows that gamers in general are adopting new technologies faster than the rest of the population. Also, gamers tend to have much more advanced hardware, so there are more of the gamers, more of the users there that probably have compatible PCs. And of course, they are probably tech savvy a little and want to move on to the latest operating system. So 46.8. Windows 10 still has 50%. So this is, it's not far from each other, but that's the majority. It's like 97 or 98% of all gaming is done on Windows 10, Windows 11. Gamers don't tend to do much on any other platform. When we look at the Linux gaming, it's barely 1.5%. So it's definite that gamers prefer Windows, which is kind of logical, as Windows is, for a lot of gamers, an interesting platform where you can tweak and play around with the games and try to have the best, gaming PC around and so on. So these are kind of interesting numbers also to see that we're moving on in the gamers. I don't know if by the end of the year, maybe more than 50% of them could have Windows 11. But it's definite that their numbers are very different from our numbers of regular users, where we just saw that Windows 11 just crossed 30% to almost 31%. So we'll see the adoption rate throughout the year. Also, the different hardware is very interesting to see that, gamers tend to move on to new hardware much faster than most people. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.